Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to restore recently deleted posts on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Your Activity option. Now scroll down and look for the recently deleted option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, you will see the deleted post on Instagram. Choose the post you want to restore. Tap on the three dots from the top right of the post. Then tap on Restore. The screen will pop up, and from the pop-up screen, tap on Restore. And you will restore your deleted post on Instagram. If you are restoring your deleted post for the first time, it will ask you to confirm your identification. Once you confirm it, it will restore the post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to restore recently deleted posts on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.